Alright, boys and girls, welcome back. Oi. Thank you. Oi. Thank you. Alright, well, as I was saying, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've been here. But yeah, we're out here on the Himalayan. My brand new bike. It's not brand new, it's got 4,000 miles on it, but yeah, we got a new bike. Himalayan, doing some off-roading. Lucky bike is behind me on a CRF. There's a lot of people today. Cheers, man, thank you. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here today. But yeah, the Lucky bike is behind me on a CRF 250. Let's just put a Q4 in that thing, it sounds beastly. But yeah, I bought a Himalayan, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been riding it a little bit. I haven't been able to make videos. Oh yeah. Morning.
We just rode these around Nepal for 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah, they're brilliant.
They are, they're great fun. He's got that. Everyone loves to hear me. They love it, they absolutely love it. So do I. It's a great bike, good fun. It's capable, a lot more capable than it looks. But yeah, sorry I haven't posted in a while. Been kind of busy, had exams at uni and stuff, haven't had time to edit a video. Sold the Hornet, it goes on Wednesday. And yeah, out here doing the trails. I'll get back to you guys in a sec. Oh Jesus. But yeah, this bike is so capable off-road. It's been everywhere the CRF's been. It gets a lot of attention. For some reason I cannot see the floor properly. Oi. Oi. Jesus. One more. Yeah, do you want to go first? I can watch your indicator. Yeah, if you want, yeah, sure. That way you don't have to worry about it. Oh my, that's a lot of dust. Alright, I've let the Lucky biker go in front because his indicators, he just put a tail tidy on and they came loose on the way here, so he's worried about them falling off. So I said I'll stay behind him and keep an eye on him. Aye. Jesus Christ, that's a tree. Oh. But yeah, we came down here a few weeks ago. It had been raining, and I did not know the trails change so much. Like when they're dry, like I guess the rain washes all the ruts out and moves a bunch of stuff. I am veering off to the right at the moment. I should not be on this middle bit. But yeah, I didn't know it changed so much. We just went through a section, and it should be in the video, but it used to be just water, but now it's like bricks. It's really weird. But yeah, as I was saying, the Hemi is capable, man. Like, it just bounces for everything. They got the suspension that's so right on this bike. It's amazing. It is amazing. I've done some rocky steps. Not jumping off them or nothing, but slow technical declines. And these MP60s have gripped so well. The only thing they suck in is mud. I hate mud. Mud and the sand. I want to get some EO9s on here. And yeah, we're just waiting until Wednesday for the CRF to go. And once the CRF is gone, we'll put in a new pipe on, we'll put in some tyres on. Jesus, this road is rocky. Yeah, we're putting EO9s on and we're going to put a Red Rooster exhaust on from India. I figured I'd go with an Indian exhaust just because, you know, bikes from India, they should know what's best for their bike. Oi. Alright, that's that trail done. Good. Oh, hello. Alright guys, trail number 2. Oi. See what this section's like. This was watered down so bad. It was deep. It's still a bit gross.
How are we going through that?
It's still a bit gross, isn't it? That's fucking wider.
It's fucking Hollywood.
Alright. Goggles on. One thing I always forget to do, and then go blind for half the journey. Oh, these holly bushes, man. Off. Jesus. Sheesh. Hey.